Today we have come up with the bombshell strategy. You see, this strategy must have been unheard, and I will say these strategies are basically my own strategies only. Over say experience of last 50 years in the share market and almost about 20 years dealing with the computers, see, I have understood certain things and certain strategies of my own which I am explaining to you right now. So friends, let us check with this very strong strategy. I am Anil Sharma from Uptrending Share. Now join me on the bombshell strategies. Friend, first of all, you know, our basic needs of the share market is that if you are dealing in a cash market, mind my words, if you are dealing in a cash market, buy a fundamentally strong share. There is no compromise on this, number one. Number two, the share must be in the uptrend only. The trajectory has to be up. The slope can be this much, depends, but it should not be down. Then today what we are talking is very short term strategy, and this strategy which we are talking today may be from say 3 days to a week's time or 10 days time only. You see, many times the retailers or the traders like me want to invest in some stock for a very short time. This is basically the strategy for them. Then it is nothing but a swing trading, not applicable in intraday trading at all. In positional trading, yes. Then it is a momentum strategy, you know, especially when the market is in the solid up run. This strategy pays very well because you are riding the momentum very fast up. Then once again, you know, whenever we are dealing with the price, whenever we are dealing with the moving average, there is only one thing. Either the price cuts the moving average or you deal from crossover to crossover. In this strategy with the moving average, we are dealing with the price when the price cuts the moving average. So friends, hold your breath. Now don't jump into any conclusion. When I speak something, be silent, be calm and composed. Believe me, this strategy works very well in a very short term. Now, the strategy number one here is that we are dealing with moving average of 2. Now, all of you must be thinking, why moving average of 2? What is the origin of this strategy? I will explain you in the end how this moving average of 2 has come into existence. But let us first see actually what happens. This black line is moving average of 2. So, when the price actually has come here, this is red one is the price, and the black one is moving average 2. What has happened? We are with the strong share and we are with the uptrend. Here if you see the slope, this slope is nothing but at 5 minutes, 10 past 5 minutes. So you go up, go up, go up, go up. Whenever you reach here, you sell. But now first let us see where was the buy. Buy was here where the price line and the moving average cut. Isn't so? That is our basic understanding. And the sell price is this. Now friends, since we are dealing with a very short moving average for just couple of days, anywhere from 3-4 days to about 10 days, 12 days time, therefore it is quite possible that it reaches here and you can see the movement is declining. The movement here, it is going up, now it is declining. Movement is declining and movement is coming down. Again the movement it is gathering, again you buy here and you continue with the momentum. So this is okay. But at the same time, this is one possibility, that momentum is getting over and then momentum is coming down. Another possibility is momentum is it just came down for 2 days time or maybe for a day time, 2-3 days time, again momentum is going up. Sorry. In this case, what do? You have already exited here. Sorry, I'm sorry, it is not here. You have taken an exit here. The sell is actually here. Now what you do here is, again what has happened? This has crossed here. So what you do is, here again there is a buy. See, there are discount brokers. What do you pay? Eventually you pay only 10 rupees for buying and 10 rupees for selling. Or some discounted brokers will take only buying 20 rupees, buying, selling. Some will take buying, selling 20 rupees, whether it is sell or buy 20 rupees. So you secure your money here and then re-enter if the price again goes up. Out of say 6-7 times the price will fall because the momentum is going down. So you are exiting at the top and you are buying at the lowest. There is no other possibility of getting the stock lower at this, and there is no possibility of stock going generally above this. Friends, you know, when I was in when I was teaching share market, since then, that means about 15-20 years back, you know, there used to be a mosquito bite in my brain, even in your brain also, that I must buy at the lowest and I must sell at the highest. Buy at the lowest, sell at the highest. It was not happening. I just thought over the strategy, then how to come about it. And I found that if you make moving average of 2, you are always buying at the lowest. And if the moving average is 2, you are always selling at the highest. I have silenced my share market mosquito of buying at the lowest and selling at the highest like this. You can also try, number 1. Secondly is, with this video 428, there are 2 parts, 1 and 2. These 2 parts I am simultaneously uploading, so that part 1 I am explaining here and part 2 you will really check in the charting.com. So this is my strategy number 1, that all this and moving average of 2, and we will cross check with we will back check with the reality. Now friends, we come with another strategy, that is, I will really say, a very convincing strategy. Actually both are convincing. Here we come out with a strategy number 2. Things remain same, fundamentally strong share in the uptrend, and now we say the short term here could be anywhere from 2 days to 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, depending upon the situation. But yes, this actually is a swing trading in the short term only. Then riding the momentum. So see, when you are dealing in the share market in the uptrend, you always only have one momentum strategy, and that is riding up. There is no other strategy. Then price cuts the moving average. Very simple. This remains the same, and origin of this is Anil Sharma, your narrator today. Now let us check with this excellent strategy, I call it. Here this is the price, and here it is the time. Time as usual. Now instead of daily charts, we take here weekly charts. And moving average 2. Weekly charts, moving average 2 means what? There are 5 working days in a week, right? 2 weeks means 10 working days. So you are taking moving average of 10 working days, or moving average of 2 means for 2 weeks. This is wonderful. There is absolutely no confusion as earlier, because in the share market, the more you confusion you keep away, better you earn money. Friends, you know, one thing I tell you, that money is lying in the brain. What we do is, we do too much of analysis and paralyze the entire trade. We use too many indicators and we paralyze the trade. This should not happen. Let's check here now. When you take a weekly chart plus moving average of 2, and for your reference, I will take it in charting.com to show you the reality. Now this is very simple. Say this is the price. When we say 2 weeks, the price will be like this only. Fine. And then what will happen is, there is a straight cross like this. Here you buy and here you sell. Great. Believe me, you will make a lot of money. You will really make tons of money. Failures, I don't fail. I hope you don't fail. But again I say, fundamentally strong share, uptrend, that is our asking. Here the number of days could be from anywhere from 2 days to say about 200, not 200 days, roughly about say 3-4 months. That means 30 into 5, say roughly about plus 100 days. Anything in between. You see, you just cannot predict anything in the share market and for the share. So it could be from anywhere from 2 days to plus 100 days, plus minus, always possible. So this is my strategy, which is most wonderful strategy. Now, friends, I see sometimes what happens is, people think, how will it work, not work? We will, as I maintain always, that we will check this on reality and charting.com. So be with me, and we'll be together on both these in a short while from now. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day. Earn tons of money. Use my strategies. There is plenty of money, as much as in water in ocean. Have a nice day.